we are so keen to turn the love into a relationship. And the moment it becomes a relationship, love is gone. Now there will be expectations. Now there will be a definite code of conduct. You are my boyfriend. How can you look at somebody else? You are my wife. You must take care of me. Go and clean my underwear. And that's what wives do. Now why must one independent adult clean the underwear of another independent adult? But because you are a wife, so you will do this. And when you are cleaning underwears, do you really feel like loving that man? Love is gone. Now love is gone. Now duty has come in. And love is not a duty. Love is not a duty. Love is absolute freedom. In your freedom you love, right? You are not compelled to love. You are not compelled to love. But now there is underwear. And you are a good wife now. What can you do? And soon there will be kids. Because a wife must produce kids. A lover is not constrained to produce kids, but the wife must produce kids. If you are somebody's girlfriend, you can walk away anytime. But the wife has a certain respectability. She cannot walk away anytime. What can you do? Now the individuals are lost and the images are living. The individual is gone and it's the wife who is talking. Have you ever wondered in all these movies that you see, why do all love stories end at marriage? There will be an entire love story and what happens in the end? Marriage. And after that? The end. You should ask. What is happening after this? That is the real thing. Show that. But then the movie is ended. They will not show you that now she is cleaning the... That's the real thing that you should have asked. But they are very clever, right? If they start showing you that, then the society's objectives will be defeated. The society does not want you to love. The society does not want you to love. The society does not want lovers. It wants husbands and wives. The society hates lovers, but it loves husbands and wives. It will say, go quickly get married. Doesn't matter. You don't love each other. Doesn't matter. Go and get married. Marriage is good. Love is bad. And marriage is a name. So is any other relationship. I'm not advocating a live-in kind of thing. Even that is a name. Even in that there are expectations. Even in that there are expectations. And I'm not talking of just the love between a man and a woman. In every relationship, there are no individuals. Father and son. Do the father and son really talk to each other? No. It's the father talking to the son. Not an individual talking to an individual. That is why sons are restless with fathers and fathers are never happy with their sons. Because a father can never be happy with a son. An individual can be happy with another individual, not a father with a son. But we are so eager, he is my son. He will not say he is an individual. Have we ever seen our father as an individual? Very difficult. And that is why there is so much of suffering in our relationships. That is why our relationships are so dead. And we constantly feel like moving away. There is certain suffocation there. So it is good that you are realizing that relationship causes trouble. Great that you have realized this. Now you are free from life. All your life, if you are learning your lesson, then you will avoid relationship. Yes, you will relate like a free bird. Relating is another thing. Relationship is totally different thing. It's a wonderful thing that it's happening to you at such an early age. There are people who grow 40 years old, 50 years old, 80 years old, they still don't realize. And they die wondering, what did I do wrong? They think probably life is suffering. Then they say, life is hell. What can I do?